How to remove stretch marks. Topical treatments. Topical creams and ointments are methods for reducing the appearance of white stretch marks. Some creams are available over the counter, while others are prescribed by a doctor. Applied regularly, before using any topical treatment, discuss your risks with your doctor. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Body Lotion, Massage Lotion for Stretch Marks Review. Benefits. Palmer's Massage Lotion helps improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Pure cocoa butter and shea butter, natural oils, collagen, elastin and lutein keep skin moisturizes and supple for 48 hours, allowing skin to stretch more easily. Widely recommended for stretch marks during after pregnancy or weight fluctuation. This non-greasy lotion is ideal for all-over body use, in place of your regular moisturizer. Description: over 98% of women saw improved skin elasticity. With vitamin E, collagen, elastin, argan oil, shea butter. Helps reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Body lotion. Free of mineral oil, parabens, phthalates. Dermatologist approved. Hypoallergenic, suitable for sensitive skin. Made with natural vitamin E, tocopherol. Palmer's is against animal testing. Suggested use. Apply all over skin, concentrating on stretch mark-prone areas such as tummy, hips, thighs and bust. Massage liberally into skin twice daily. Warnings. Caution: skin sensitivity heightens during pregnancy. We advise testing this and all skincare products on a small area, such as the inner forearm, 48 hours before first use. Do not use if signs or irritation or rash appear. After using this product, if irritation or rash appears, discontinue use. If irritation or rash persists, consult your doctor. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.